And never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me.
Guys, so your girl is ready to go. Look, I am all spiffed up. look at all different, and yeah, I am heading to an event. I guess I will show you guys when I get there. So yeah, I have the creeper in my photo. Oh my gosh, so I'll catch you guys there when I get there, because girl just had to hurry up. So all showered and everything, get dressed quick. Oh, let me take off my shoes. Oh shit, take off my shoes. Oh, and I'm gonna wear my flats.
Oh my gosh, how she looks good.
And then
there we go.
I'm gonna put my heels on.
Yes.
Look, bombing.
Oh, this one he doesn't like because I'm taller than him. See, Memphis, you're such a creeper. What are you doing in all my pictures?
Just crop it and it looks, see?
All right, so we'll catch you guys there. Let's go. We're running late. Yeah. Oh, we are running we are running so well. I'm running so late, so let's get going. All right, guys, so I am running late, but that's because why? Time caught up on me with everything, but going now, and because of traffic, that's what's gonna catch me too. Hopefully the traffic is not too bad. Yeah, hopefully.
The lights.
I need to slow down. I ain't trying to slow down. Put your face with a bad attitude. Feel like I got too much to lose. Put this shit up on too much.
Who was first to say I love you?
Whoa!
Right. Who is more romantic? No, so you have to pick one.
No, I would say indifferent. Like I would more like plan stuff. You would more do like small, like little, like stuff. You know what I mean? So yeah, totally.
Okay, fine. Who plans more elaborate events?
Ah, yeah. We up on that one. Who? What?
Who never forgets anniversary dates? That has to be Zoe.
I'm gonna say both of us. But like, I might remember it the next day. Alright. Or later in the day. Yeah.
Who was the best driver? Oh wow.
Watch out! They both out. No, that's why.
I am the better driver. Period. End of discussion. End of discussion. I am the better driver.
Debate, debate.
Driving Jamaica. I'm the better driver. Listen, almost every time we ever rent a car, who's leading? Who has the car? I don't know why he's talking about. He has the car.
Who's better when it comes to directions?
What?
Say who is better when it comes to directions?
We have a discussion here. It's not working. Hello, Jamaican are not good at directions at all. Run next around the corner, that's how you reach. They're horrible. Horrible. Horrible.
Who's more likely to start an argument?
Zoe. It's her, I got it. Be careful how you lift that shoe tonight.
Who has the final word? Who has the final word?
Zoe.
I like that. What is it?
Zoe, who has the final word?
Who's messier?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Who's more traumatic?
Oh, busted! Busted!
I'm so happy he's here now so you guys can see it live and direct. Do not take off the mold. See ya.
Okay, more stubborn.
Stubborn.
No, you have to put your foot up. More stubborn. I'm not even trying to get it.
Zoe, put up the shoe. Put up your shoe. Put up your shoe.
I'm not telling a lie about myself. I'm miserable, but I'm not stubborn. Talk the right word that we are talking.
Who's the better dancer?
Oh, it's me.
Who's better what?
Dancer.
Oh,
Better dancer.
oh, okay.
Who has the best sense of style?
Zoe. Watch out.
Yeah, you're a stylist.
Alright. Who takes the longest to get ready?
Zoe.
Who takes the longest to get dressed? I believe it's
So when one person came from mirror and examining
Perfect match. And you get him upon the phone. That's why you got him into.
Who's more needier when they're sick?
Man. Oh yeah. I'll give you that. Man, I usually more
Who's more
needy.
likely to cry during a sad movie?
Yeah.
Okay. Put your own mic too.
Who does the dishes the most?
What?
Who does the dishes the most?
I think that's
You listen to the same thing.
Who's more forgetful?
Who's what?
More forgetful. Zoe. Okay, you gotta mix that one.
No. Oh, that's good.
Who's better at keeping secrets? Zoe's a secret keeper. Come on. Nobody can talk. Thank you! Nobody know about me. They will talk everything. Everything they talk on post. All right, last question. Who do you love the most? Who do you love the most? Yeah.
Whoa! Yes, yes, you have to love yourself first before you can love anybody else. Me agree with you. Yeah, you get your boot. Watch out.
Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for coming out. Are we starting now? Yes, we are. But honestly, thank you guys so much for coming out.
Yeah, I appreciate all of it.
You know, it's been a journey. No, I don't need a mic. You guys know it's been a journey. You guys know this moment should have happened 2 years ago.
COVID.
It happened. And if we had listened to everybody and waited, we wouldn't be here. So
What would you be?
still separate. Still separate. We wouldn't be here together.
Yeah, we're not watching COVID.
So yeah, I'm just grateful that this chapter is finally done. And
Yeah,
we're
new
here
chapter.
together in one place.
Yep.
Welcome. Pray for the leaders. Welcome to Canada.
Hope you enjoy the ride.
Sorry about that, man. But yeah, thank you.
Wait till it's cold, touch him.
No, I want to enjoy the marriage.
Love you too. Not here, not on it. Not here, not on
That's
it.
2 years, 3 years.
Yeah, man, whenever God's ready, but when you come, the material. Yeah.
Down the line. No, it's preparation.
Ready, no.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You want my